I just finished trying on a new product that I bought online. There's so many things out there for lashes, and I was sick of having panda eyes after I washed off my mascara, but I don't have time to go to see a lash technician. There are like a million products out there, and after looking into it, I thought this one sounded pretty good. So keep watching if you want to see what it looks like when I unbox it and I try it on for the first time. Look, your stripping days are over. All right, I'm gonna peel it. This is my OCD. Try not to rip this. Nope, ripped it. Too late. Oh, it comes in a really nice black box. There is my night bond. So apparently this is supposed to make it last all night. I get the fun now. And these are extra ones. B is supposed to be bold and thick. So I got extra ones to try the variety. And this is the beginner's kit, I think. All right, can I open it? Oh, what is this? It's stuck. Oh, there's a nice welcome card. A little fancy. I think these are the instructions. Oh, nice. I was hoping it'd come with instructions. Very clear, non-IKEA look-alike instructions. We have, I don't know what these are, but it seems useful. And oh my gosh, this box looks intense. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Oh, look, the wand. Oh, it looks really fancy. So this is the tool to grab the gossamers out. And I think that's the seal and finish coat. And that is the flexible bond, so the first step glue. Oh, I can feel it getting tacky already. Oh gosh, it just stuck. It's amazing. Do I do one more this length and then the shorter one, or the shorter one? I think I'm gonna do the shorter one. It looks kind of scary. It's trickier than the video they showed. Whoa, that's quite full on. How did I do this? It is impossible. That is a lot of long lashes. I'm definitely buying this shorter kit. Okay, it does work, but I reckon I need shorter ones in here. This looks a little bit ridiculous. Okay, this is not as expected. Trying to do the other eye. Oh, getting better this thing. Put a length there. I'm not putting too much in the eye anymore because these are way too long. They are definitely really comfortable, but I definitely need to practice putting them on because on the video makes it look so easy. So this is supposedly scaringly long, but they're pretty good to put on and quite easy. And I can't even feel them. Yeah, I can't feel anything. I don't even know I have them on, so it feels like a good product. I just gotta order a size that makes me look like I haven't got spiders on top of my eyes. It's not bad. I can't feel anything. Like, it doesn't feel like eyelash extensions. So for a first time user, they're actually a lot easier than what I thought it would be. because I've seen eyelash technicians and it's like a full-time job and it's very, very intricate. It's like surgery. It's so detailed and so close to the eye. And every other lash strip that I've used feels really heavy, but you can actually feel this one too. It's actually really good. They feel really non-existent, which is what you want to feel when you wear false lashes. So it's not a gimmick, it actually works. So that was pretty good. For a first time, I thought I was gonna struggle a lot more than that. So I'm very impressed with this product, except as you see, I'm not used to having this length of lashes. I'm gonna order, I think size 10. I think 10 will suit me better with my size. But I'm definitely gonna wear this again. I'm very impressed at how easy it is. Worth every dollar I spent on it. There was a promotion, so I tried that. And I don't think I have to use mascara again. Yay! Oh, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe, like, and turn on notification. And if I ever find anything else that I love using, I'm sure to share with you again. Bye!